Learn how to quickly change the default language of your Gemini AI to another. Also, if you want to learn how to change the language in your Gemini notebook, it's still the same thing. Let's just learn that together. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. And here I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. Once your browser opens, you need to change this language on your Google account. So once you change that, the one on Gemini and the one on Gemini Notebook will be changed. So visit this web link here, myaccount.google.com/language. So I will press the enter key of my computer keyboard. This will take you directly to this page. All right, I can see here the preferred language I'm using on this account is English United Kingdom, but I want to change that. So I'll click on this pencil-like icon. Then it says change your primary language. So I will type the language I want. So let's say I want to switch back to English here. I'll click on that. Then it gives me here some options. Which type of English do you want? Is it English Nigeria, Australia, Austria, and the rest? So I will scroll until I find the type of English I want to switch to. And here I want to switch to English United States. All right, so I'll click on that. Then I'll click on save. So you can see with this, the language have been switched to English United States. So anytime I'm now accessing Gemini Notebook or just Google Gemini, this English will be the one the program will be using to generate content for me, all right? If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. All right, so subscribe to learn more. You can scan this QR code here to buy any of my books on information technology. See you some other time.